Hello, Poncho fam. It's me, your host, Poncho. Wow, didn't mean to do that. Or hit that hard. Anyway, I just want to say how you doing, and please, leave a like, comment, subscribe, all that hoopla. Now, I wanted to mention, like I said, this upcoming summer, I want to start doing toy photography. So I'm gonna attempt to do that. I'm gonna do like toy photography Tuesdays. It'll come out maybe every other Tuesday or every third Tuesday. Um, I'm gonna try to get one out. It's just finding areas, picking the spot to go, and going. And the other segment, dip into Saucy Saturdays. Oh, and I'm also gonna like I'm gonna try to maybe make some prints, make like a poster for you guys. I don't know the pricing just yet. Um, I'm thinking about that right now. I gotta do crunch some numbers and whatnot. Anyway, you're thinking, let's just get into the review, shall we? Come on, get into that dang review. All right, so here we go. In three, two, one. All right. Today we are reviewing Star Wars Black Series Obi-Wan Wandering Jedi from the Obi-Wan series. You can see here on the box a little bio, uh, some art. 01 in the series because it's part of the show. And let's get into it. You can see the little UPCs and warnings and Disney and all that good stuff on here. Moving to the side, some more of that awesome art. Obi-Wan, Wandering Jedi. Say a little window on the side. Some more Star Wars Black Series here. Going to the top, nice little window, and kind of a price tag I need to get off there, but that's alright. Star Wars Black Series. You got the window here. Obi-Wan Kenobi. Star Wars Wandering Jedi. Don't put small parts in your mouth. Hey, bro. Alright, let's get into the figure and release him out of his cryo packaging here. So, in 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, let's get into Star Wars Black Series Obi-Wan Kenobi. And let's take a nice good look at this figure. I like the likeness of this figure. Can't remember the actor's name, but hey, it's alright. And as you can see, all the detail that goes into this, not a big gripe, but maybe they could have punched in like a silver there. There's the holster. You see this cloth goods cape where he would put his lightsaber, his old man wandering pants, his boots, cloak, much on the side, same thing on the back. And let's get into the figure itself. Going down to the articulation point of this video, he can point his toes. Oh, well, spoiler alert. He can point his toes. So if you need to fit him in some sort of vehicle or something. Generous ankle pivot. And looks like there's no rotation. It looks like single jointed knees. Or, wait a minute. Yeah, single jointed knees. They rotate. An upper thigh rotation. This is a actual plastic overlay, or like a rubber almost, like a rubber plastic. Yeah, it's a rubberish plastic overlay. It can go. He can go up. Now he's kind of old, so and rusty at this point in the show, so he can go up. He can go back about that far. Let's see how he can do the splits. Yes, he can do the splits, even for an old man Jedi like him. And seeing now this is like a plastic overlay. This is how far you can crunch forward, and that's as far as crunch back. And going to the there is a butterfly joint. You can go inwards, go outwards. He can hit the T-pose like a champ, bringing it back down. He can go all the way around, even more without the cloth goods cape, or not cape. I'm sorry, guys. Cloth goods hood. And you know what? Let's just remove this. It's kind of getting on my nerves a little bit. I do like cloth good stuff in 1/12 scale. That's just me. Single arm rotation. He's got a trigger finger hand, and it looks like, let's take a look. It goes up and down like this. Same thing with the other hand goes like this. It goes all the way around as well. Going up to the neck, or the up to the torso, goes into a neck peg. It can move around up to his head, goes all the way around. He can look up about that far. He can look down about that far. So he can do his like Jedi look. If you can remember the actor's name, I'm drawing a blank right now. He has a holster for his blaster and a peg hole for his lightsaber, like you've seen. Let's get him all set up there. We're moving into the size comparison. Now, moving to another Star Wars figure. Actually, the person who cuts off, whose hand he cuts off, Ponda Baba, cuts off his hand in a different, and later on down. This is before he cuts it off. So this is later on down in the cantina scene. If you've never seen Star Wars, spoiler! If you haven't seen Star Wars, you're either living under a rock or you just don't like Star Wars, which, you know what, it's okay. You can go ahead and back out of the channel. I'm just joking, just kidding. Star Wars Black Series, Ponda Baba there. And we have a, let's do a Marvel Legends Wolverine for the size comparison here with the hot claws, which I'm tempted to change those out. Obi-Wan stands about same height as these guys. Really, he's kind of a short guy, it looks like. Moving these guys out. Moving Fortnite Victor Rael Meowscles. And he just towers over Obi-Wan. This would actually be a pretty good, you know, thing here, because you could say he's an alien from a different, like a bounty hunter or something going after him. Guess you could kind of fudge that a little bit. And Fortnite Jazzwares Doggo. Different line. I guess you can kind of fudge him into the Star Wars universe as well. Yeah, just a little more grit and grime. Oh, Obi-Wan down. No, not Obi-Wan. Anakin, I have the high ground. Anyway, going to McFarlane Batman DC Multiverse Flashpoint Thomas Wayne. He is 7-inch, so he's gonna tower over Obi-Wan Kenobi. And Super 7's Ultimate Power Rangers, Yellow Ranger Trinity, and Batman Flash. Sorry guys, I'm gonna actually remove this one. Batman Hush Mofex. He's taller than Obi-Wan, but the tallest is Flashpoint Batman because, well, he's 7-inch. Okay, moving these two and going to Articulated Icon Ninja and NECA's Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Last Ronin. Beefy boy. Well, I guess you can say that he's like a futuristic. You can fudge him into Star Wars. Make him look kind of different, Make him look like a bounty hunter if you'd like. Anyway, if you want to go that route. I know, bounty hunters. I like bounty hunters. And moving to the accessories. Of course, he comes with this cloak. And this, for the life of me, I can't remember the droid's name. But right now, I'm drawing a blank. I'll have to rewatch it. I know, you guys can cuss me out. Go ahead. And the droid also comes with these little accessories here. He also comes with a blaster. I like this blaster. And his patented lightsaber. Alright. Well, guys, I will see you in the next action figure review. Bye. Bye.